Mom, look! There are so many birds flying in the sky.
Yes, Janvi. Do you know what we call this group of birds?
No, Mom.
We call it a flock of birds. It's a type of collective nouns.
Collective noun?
Collective nouns are words we use to talk about groups of people, animals, or things, like a flock of birds, a pack of wolves, or a herd of cows.
Oh, I see. So it's like when we talk about many things together?
Exactly. Collective nouns help us describe groups in a simple way. There are many examples of collective nouns, Janvi, like a team of players, a school of fish, or a swarm of bees.
Wow! There are so many collective nouns. Collective nouns make it easier to talk about groups. Mom, can I try giving some examples of collective nouns?
Of course, Janvi, go ahead.
A class of students, a flock of sheep, a pack of wolves, and a choir of singers.
Great job, Janvi. You're getting the hang of collective nouns.
Thank you, Mom. Learning about collective nouns was interesting.